Hey friends, it's Sharon and welcome back to Beauty and Beyond. Hey Friendships, so today I just wanted to do a quick announcement to all of you regarding the giveaway announcement. So supposedly I will be announcing the winner on January 13, 2020, but I decided not to. It's because konti lang yung sumali pa I find, and most of the people that are trying to enter the giveaway are not what do you call that, qualified, because they have not followed all the mechanics that is in the giveaway. So that's why I decided to extend the giveaway period. So I don't know if it will still run for another 2 to 3 weeks. Let's just see. Yeah, kasi there are really very few still that are joining, and some of them really are not following the mechanics. So I just wanted to give more opportunity for a lot of people to join, so that's why I decided to extend the giveaway period. I hope that you don't mind. And also, yeah, and also the other reason is that I'm not feeling so well for the past days. So yeah, so that's why I wasn't able to upload some videos. So yeah, right now it's really hard to speak, to be honest. So yeah, I just wanted to quickly do this announcement. So I hope you don't mind, I hope you understand. So if not, I will be extending the giveaway period for another 2 or 3 weeks. Let's just see how this goes. I hope you understand. And yeah, so I think that's all it, and I hope you have a wonderful day and a great day as always. And always remember to be nice, be kind, and keep that smile, and hopefully to see you on the next one. Bye.